Hello everyone, this is Dmitry from Galileosky, and we continue learning about the Configurator software features. During the previous videos, we discussed all available pages in the settings menu. So let's see what else is available in the application. The next tool in the menu at the left side of the screen is Filters. The Filters editor allows us to create and edit filters. Filters allow you to perform a basic processing of the data received from different sensors on board of the tracking device. For example, you can target your fuel level sensor to receive the fuel level in percent or liters instead of raw fuel level sensor readings, or apply average filter to make readings smoother. Filters editor provides you access to 7 different filters: moving average filter, delta filter, tar filter, fuel tar filter, mass filter, integration filter, and counting filter. As you can guess, we already have a short series of video where all available filters are discussed in details. Links, as usual, are available in the description to this video. As an example, let's create a simple filter that will average the raw data from the fuel level sensor on the 10 seconds interval. I am starting the filter with the getParameter block. In the block settings, I need to choose the tag from which my filter needs to take the original raw data from the fuel level sensor. Let's decide that we work with the fuel level sensor on the interface RS485 with the address 0. Now I'm adding an additional support filter called Sampling Period Filter. In its settings, I set the value 1000 milliseconds. Now, thanks to this additional filter, the data from the fuel level sensor will be provided to the main filter on per second. The next block, Moving Average Filter. In the settings of this filter, I set 10. It means that the value will be averaged by the 10 values. And the last step, save the resulting value with the Save Parameter block. In theory, you can save the resulting value in the same data tag as the original data was received from. Yet we don't recommend doing so. The thing is that in some cases the device can save to the memory not the processed value but the original data from the fuel level sensor. It can cause issues for your analytics on the software side. Instead of it, we can just save the data to the tag of the fuel level sensor with the address 1. Just choose the tag in the settings of the Save Parameter block. Now we need to connect all blocks. Don't forget to set the name of the created filter on the top left corner of the filter editor screen. You can save the created filter on your local computer or in the cloud storage of your remote configuration account. In case the filter was saved on the remote configuration server, it could be uploaded to trackers remotely the same way as usual EasyLogic algorithms. The only visible difference between EasyLogic files and filters is the special marker point filter that system adds automatically while saving the file. This marker must be used in the text of the command when you upload filters to remote devices with the command script. You can also upload the filter to your tracking device locally if you are connected to the device via USB or via the Bluetooth. Use the Upload Algorithm button. Now all we need to do is to go to the settings on the Protocol tab and enable the fuel level value from the fuel level sensor with the address 1, where our filter saves the processed data. You can even disable the fuel level from the sensor with the address 0 if you don't want to see the raw data from the fuel level sensor in your software. This is just one of available filters, so I again recommend you to check the small tutorial that describes all filters. In this video, I just wanted you to get the basic idea of this tool. So, as you can see, the filters editor is quite simple and provides you plenty of useful tools. That's all for today. Dmitry was with you. See you in the next video.